Okay, good morning, my dear respected students. And today I'm just begin with the content of chapter number 1. And hopefully this is the last session for chapter number 1. Hope you enjoy the previous sessions as well. And you have read the content thoroughly by your own also. So today we are just begin with from a page number. Kindly concentrate, and I hope that you all have books along with you, my dear respected students. On book, that is a page number 12, 1 to 12. You are supposed to kindly concentrate. Okay, what we are begin with, we are supposed to begin with the content which is to be called as a software. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही हो वो एक बार सॉफ्टवेयर टाइप कर दीजिएगा चैट बॉक्स में कि कवलजीत सर सॉफ्टवेयर की बात कर रहे हैं. वेरी गुड. अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह. Very good, very good. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you. Okay. Now, my dear respected students, I think so that all having an idea that what do you understand by a software? Software refers to the computer program that are needed for running a computer system. For example, I'm just taking here example of human brain. Without a brain, our different parts of our body is not supposed to be reacted. वो react नहीं कर पाती. So in that case, we are supposed to consider that software is to be considered as one of the important tool. And in human body, when we talk about the dash is the software. लिख के बताइएगा chat box में कवरी सर ने क्या बोला. Dash is a software in human body. Very good. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. अरे वाह मान्या सबसे पहले सहजवीर. अरे वाह आप सबका नाम कैसे लूं. पता है ना वहां क्या हो रहा है चैट बॉक्स में. मेरे को नजर ही कुछ नहीं आ रहा. उधर ऐसे ऐसे घूम रहे हैं. वेरी गुड. काइंडली कंसंट्रेट. Now, my dear respected students, when we talk about a software, the software is basically divided into two different sections, which is to be called as, one is called as a system software, and second is to be called as a application software. It's my humble request, kindly concentrate. Very important part, and we all are supposed to discuss things with the help of example. Here, system softwares refer to a program designed to control the operation of a computer system. Means whenever we are supposed to, I'm just taking example, whenever we are just going to turn on my desktop, my laptop or my phone, then there is one thing which is supposed to be mentioned here. On your laptop, I think so, when you're opening your laptops, it says Windows logo is there. Yes or no? मेरे को एक बार yes or no में आंसर कर दीजिएगा. Yes or no? Very good, very good, very good. They say yes. And if you just identify this thing, that when we are going to turn on our phone also, it display a logo of Android for Android phones. I'm talking about only about the Android phones, not for iOS, that is the Apple phones. So they display the name of the operating system. It means that particular is to be considered as a सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. जिन लोगों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई हो, सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर वो मेंशन कर दीजिएगा यस नो रिपीट फटाफट. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूं कि यू आर सपोज टू टाइप ओनली अ यस. यू आर सपोज टू टाइप यस नो एंड रिपीट. ओके, एकम इज सेइंग रिपीट. Ekam ji, when we talk about a system software, it says that the software which is responsible for controlling the overall functionality of your computer system, that is to be called as a system software. And when we turn our laptops on, in case of we having a Windows operating system, it just display the name of the operating system, that is a Windows. Thank you, Ekam, for your kind cooperation. Here it is, what it says, when we talk about a system softwares are further classified or divided into different parts. These are the 5 different parts. We talk about these parts one by one. Can you please tell me the first option we are supposed to discuss? It begins with O. Type in a chat box. Type in a chat box. Type in a chat box. What it says? O. It begins from a O. What is the yes, now students are writing, that is operating system. Very good. And my dear respected students, kindly concentrate here. Kindly concentrate. It's my humble request. Kindly identify these images one by one. Can you please tell me the first image, which is in a blue background? Can you please mention the name of the operating system in chat box? Very good, very good. There is a flow, there is a flood in chat box. It says Windows. It means you all are identifying that this is the operating system, and Windows is the operating system which is being installed on your desktops, your laptops, for making your hardware workable. आपके हार्डवेयर को काम करने के लिए अलाउ करता है. सेकंड देखिएगा, ये कुछ एप्पल का सिंबल बना हुआ है. अरे वाह, तनवीर सिंह बिनिंग जी, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड बेटा. दिस इज अ मैक ओएस. आप लोग सब लोग लिख रहे हैं ना, एप्पल लिख रहे हैं बेटा, इसको बोलते हैं, एक बार चैट बॉक्स में टाइप करिएगा, मैक MAC OS ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. MAC. वेरी गुड साहिब जो, थैंक यू वेरी मच. MAC. शिप्रा जी थैंक यू. मोनिका बंसल जी थैंक यू. मान्या जी. Mac OS. OS stands for operating system. And my dear respected student, here Mac stands for, MAC stands for Macintosh. MACINTOSH. That is to be called as a Macintosh ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. अरे तनवीर मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा सा ज्यादा एक्टिव है भाई, वो तो अगले पे भी आ गया. अच्छा तनवीर, रवनीत, उन्होंने बोला कि हमने तो आंसर दे दिया उससे पहले वालों का, अब हम जल्दी से स्विच करते हैं. वेरी गुड, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू. Now the next one, which is in a green background, is to be called as a, very good, students are typing that this is the example of Android. अब लास्ट वाला देख लीजिए, एक पेंगुइन नजर आ रहा है आपको. ये अरे रे 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 राम 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 राम. वेरी गुड भाई, ये तो ज्यादातर जी पेंगुइन लिख रहे हैं, और कुछ लोगों ने लिखना शुरू कर दिया लिनक्स. LINUX. that is a operating system again. Now what we learn today, we learn that what do you understand by operating system and the different types of operating system. हम लोगों ने ये learn कर लिया. Very good. Now can you please allow me to move forward? Yes, you are allowing me to move forward. What we are going to do here, kindly concentrate. My dear respected students, kindly concentrate. It's my humble request. It says here, points to remember, a master control program. That operating system is a master control. It means operating system is a overall in charge of your hardware. जैसे मेरी ये body है, the human body, this is the structure only. To make this structure workable, we required a brain. In a similar fashion, to make your hardware, to make your device active, we required a operating system. Okay. Next it says it controls CPU. It controls CPU. यार CPU की full form तो बता दो भाई कोई. CPU की full form तो बता दो. सहजवीर जी, Mac OS का मतलब होता है Macintosh. MACINTOSH. OS का मतलब है operating system. Thank you. Aditi Dubey ji, very good. Central processing unit. It means it is the central unit which is required or responsible for all the processing which is happening in your system. Very good. And now again, third point says first program to be loaded in the memory. Why so? Sir, when we turn on our computer, the Windows is going to be loaded and it displays on the screen. So in a similar fashion, we can say that this is the first program which is called as an operating system, which is supposed to be loaded on our computer memory in the initial stage. Next point, if there is no. Next one is to be called as a compiler. Kindly concentrate. Operating system सबको समझ आ गया यार? yes no repeat में कर देना. yes no. अरे वाह अरे वाह अरे वाह अरे वाह अरे वाह. अच्छा मुझे सब लोगों का आंसर चाहिए, सब लोगों का. अरे वाह, मजा आ गया. Thank you. Now here it is a compiler. Next thing, kindly concentrate on the screen. There is an image here. In the first image, my dear respected students, kindly concentrate. It's my humble request. It says in a first image, this is the image where it says some code is mentioned here. Okay, kindly concentrate this thing. And this code is mentioning in a high level language. Okay, this is a programming language. I am just taking an example, not more than this. This is a programming language. What compiler is supposed to be do, they convert that particular language into the combination of different numbers, and these are only two numbers which is to be considered as a 0 and 1. आपने यहाँ पे अगर देखा है तो there is only 2 numbers will be displayed on the screen and this is to be considered as a combination of 0 and 1. Kindly concentrate now. Kindly concentrate, it's my humble request. What we are going to do here, my dear respected students, I'm just going to click here and here it is. Remember this thing, very, very, very important thing. Compiler converts high level language जो आपको पहली इमेज में नजर आया था into a machine language. Machine language means that computer is unable to understand English, computer is unable to understand Hindi and Punjabi, but computer is only able to understand one thing which is to be called as a machine language. And kindly type in a chat box the areva binary digits. Very good, Shipra and Ankit, thank you very much. And this is the combination of only 2 numbers, that is 0 and 1. This is the combination of only 2 numbers, that is 0 and 1. Thank you very much. Thank you for your kind cooperation. Very good. Great. Next it says, my dear respected students, they read entire program and then translate. It's my humble request, kindly focus on this point, that they are going to read the entire program only once. एक ही बार में पूरे का पूरा प्रोग्राम रीड कर लेता है और उस पूरे के पूरे प्रोग्राम को 0 और 1 के कॉम्बिनेशन में कन्वर्ट कर देता है. The translated program is called the translated program means when the program from high level language is being converted into the combination of zeros and ones, then it is to be called as an object program or a object code. Remember, I'm just going to give ask some questions from your side also. The last point says the object code is saved permanently. यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर है. अब मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ. Compiler converts high level language into dash language. Very good. मुझे chat box में आंसर आना चाहिए. Machine language. Very good. Thank you very much. Thank you. Next question says machine language is the combination of only 2 digits, that is, very good, type करिए. अरे वाह, 0 and 1. Next thing, when the high level language is being converted into a machine level language, this is to be called as a dash. Object program and object, jaldi se object program and object code. Very good, very good, very good. And this object code, which is the combination of zeros and 1, is used for dash purpose. अब मैं ऑप्शन दे रहा हूं, टेम्परेरी या परमानेंट. वेरी गुड, जल्दी से टाइप करिएगा, टेम्परेरी या परमानेंट. Very good, very good, very good. अरे वाह, there is a permanent. Answer is permanent. Very good, great, thank you. Now, my dear respected students, next thing is assembler. अब please ध्यान से देखिएगा, compiler, interpreter and assembler. These are the 3 different things which have some similarity, but kindly concentrate. Now we talk about assembler. What assembler do is used to translate assembly language program to machine language program. Simple सी बात कि assembly language से machine level language में convert करने के लिए we required a assembler. And now onwards, I'm not going to say this thing that machine language is the combination of 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. I'm not going to remind this thing, because now onwards you all are supposed to concentrate that this is the language which is the combination of zeros and ones. Interpreter. Now kindly concentrate and correlate this thing with a compiler, where in case of a compiler, I have said that compiler is going to read the entire program once. पूरे के पूरे program को एक ही बार में read कर लेता है. But in case of interpreter, we are saying that it translate one statement at a time of high level language program and convert into a machine code. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Compiler read full program at once, but interpreter is going to read the code line by line. एक एक करके एक एक line को read करेगा. Very good. Now the object code means, whenever we are using this word, that is the object code, it means this is a code which having a combination of zeros and ones is not saved permanently. In which case, in case of interpreter, But in case of a compiler, they having the opposite reaction, they save permanently. But in case of interpreter, they are not going to save anything. Very good. My questions. Now my questions. Dash read high level language line by line. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Dash read programs line by line. Very good. All are saying interpreter. Only one student is saying compiler. So kindly make changes here that interpreter reads line by line. Thank you very much. When interpreter converts code high level language into a machine language line by line, then that is to be called as a dash code. Very good. Kindly concentrate. That is to be called as a dash code. Very good. Areva, object code. Yes, machine code nahi bolna. This is to be called as a object code. Very good. Great. Shipraji, machine code nahi. That is to be called as object code. And after that, what we are going to do? Compiler save it permanently, but dash save it temporarily. मतलब कि वो जो डैश है वो इसको टेम्परेली सेव करता है. कौन डैश टेम्परेरी सेव करता है? अक्षरा सेइंग इंटरप्रेटर. अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह. Moving towards the next part. Kindly concentrate, dear students. Now this is a driver. Driver says that my father is the driver of my car. The bus driver is a driver of a bus. It means to make your hardware react with your software. अब दोबारा sorry, I'm just going to repeat this again. When you want that your hardware is going to react with your software, अब जैसे क्या करता हूँ, when we are going to insert a pen drive in my computer, then it says on the bottom hand side, it says that they upload the drivers or they are scanning for the drivers. Now kindly concentrate what I want to say here. For example, I just want to display one thing here. Kindly concentrate. I'm just going to open a window which says that devices and printers. ये देखिए ये कहाँ से मिलेगा आपको? Control panel, hardware and sound, and then there is a device and printers. So it says that on Kavaljit system, the keyboard name is Dell KB216 wired keyboard. Mouse says that Dell MS116 USB optical mouse here. And when we talk about a printer, it says HP LaserJet 1020 printer. So can you please elaborate this more for watching that where is the driver is being stored? Okay, I'm just going to click on HP LaserJet 1020, then click on a print server properties. And here it is the tab which is to be called as a driver. And here it says that the drivers are HP LaserJet 1020. Processor is 64-bit. Kindly get, there is no need to get confused. You are supposed to remember this thing, that if you want to make your hardware is connected with your software, then or react to your, for example, if you want to take a printout, in such case you are supposed to install the drivers on your hardware, then only that particular printer is going to respond on your system. I think so this is clear. Kindly type in a chat box. Very good. Arey wah, Tanveer is saying printer, a pen drive. Very good. Yes, 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 yes. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. I'm waiting for your responses, dear students. Kindly type yes in a chat box, no in a chat box, repeat in a chat box. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now kindly concentrate here. Drivers are saying computer program that enables the computer to interact with the hardware devices. Very good. Now, the example of those devices, I'm just taking few examples. These are not the only examples. These are the few examples. That is mouse, keyboard, and printer. This is the example of driver. Very good. Now, I'm just going to type, I'm just going to ask one question in a, to you all and type the answer in a chat box. To make your hardware accessible, you require dash software. Very good. Be quick. You require dash software. Trisha Arora is saying assembler. No, mera beta. Driver, yes, the students are typing perfectly. Aditi Dubey, Ranjita ji, they all other students are also typing the driver. It says whenever we are facing a problem with our hardware, we are supposed to firstly check whether the driver is responding or not. Now next thing, which is on page number 13, my dear respected students, it says application software is designed to perform a specific task. Sir, kindly give some example here to make this concept understand, and then we move forward. Okay. Now what we are going to do here, I'm just going to click on my start button. Here it is the paint program. Dear students, this is a paint program. This is specifically used to draw a different shapes. Okay, so means they are going to perform a specific kind of task. Okay, thank you. Next, I am talking about again here. What I am going to do here, I'm just going to open and click on this Word 2013 software, which is there on my system. What is the purpose of that Word software, MS Word software? They are basically only used for the purpose of typing. It means that's why we called it as a application software. Why so? Because they are used to perform a specific kind of task. Very good. Mere beta, kindly concentrate. Application software says I am distributed into two different parts. First is to be called as a packages and second is to be called as a utilities. I'm just going to elaborate examples first, and then I am just going to give you a theory part. Okay, now again, what we are going to do, we are just elaborate the concept of packages. Again, I'm going to click on a start button. Here it is, a all program. I'm just going to scroll this towards the downside. Here it is, the name is mentioned, which says Microsoft Office 2013. And I am elaborating the concept of packages, which makes sense that this is a bundle of software. This package is a bundle of different softwares. My dear respected students, whenever we are just going to click on Microsoft Office 2013, here it is Access, here it is Excel, here it is PowerPoint, here it is Word, Skype is also there, and many more which is not required for you is available here. These are the list of the softwares, application softwares, and the combination of application software is to be called as a packages, or the bundle of software stored in a particular is to be called as a packages. मेरे बेटों को, मेरे बच्चों को, जिनको मेरी बात समझ आ गई हो, yes no में आंसर कर दीजिएगा प्लीज. It's my humble request. मुझे yes और no में एक बार आंसर चाहिए. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. Trisha ji, you are saying repeat. Okay, beta, kindly concentrate. Packages means when there is a bundle of softwares is being stored in a particular, which is to be called as a package. मतलब एक चीज के अंदर और छोटी छोटी चीजों को रखना, that is to be called as a package. Now again, I'm just going to elaborate the concept of utilities before displaying the theory. Okay, again, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to move towards my desktop. Here it is. Kindly concentrate in a taskbar. There is an arrow. I'm just going to click on that arrow. And here it is, this red symbol representing, there is a pop-up, I think so, and it representing Guardian Internet Security. Means utility means which is supposed to be related with the maintenance part of your system. So antivirus, what antivirus is supposed to perform? They are supposed to take care of your system, and unnecessary virus are supposed to be eliminated from your device. This is the one example of utility. Can I just elaborate it with the help of one more example? What I'm going to do here, I'm just going to open one option here. Kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. Here it is. It says, now I am a disk defragmenter. मेरे बच्चों मेरी बात सुन लीजिएगा. What now in this situation, in COVID situation, I'm not going to consider this example. But what happen when we are sitting in a particular room? Sometime teachers are saying कि यार ये छोटा रूम है, थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट हो जाइए, थोड़ा सा नियर हो जाइए, पास हो जाइए, सो आप लोग सब लोग इस रूम में बैठ सकें. तो इस केस में क्या होगा, when we talk about a disk defragmenter here, what it makes sense, it is going to adjust, जो अगर आपके डिस्क के ऊपर, हार्ड डिस्क के ऊपर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लोकेशंस पे आपका डाटा पड़ा है, वो उसको क्या करेगा, एक जगह पे इकट्ठा करेगा एंड मेक द स्पेस फॉर द कमिंग डाटा, जो आने वाला डाटा है उसके लिए आपको जगह प्रदान करेगा. दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ द यूटिलिटी. नाउ we begin with a theoretical section. Before that, I just need your responses in a chat box that this is helpful. This examples, real life examples are helpful to you or no, or not. अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह. ये मैंने क्यों दिखाया था? Why I am displaying that this is the antivirus on my system? Why I do this thing? Because in your back exercise, one part is there which says that in the lab, so we are supposed to mention the name of operating system, name of the antivirus which is there on our system. If we don't have, there is no need to mention. Thank you very much, Manvi ji, Ritika ji, Arav Jaiswal ji. Thank you very much. God bless you for your responses. Okay, now kindly concentrate the example here with the help of a theory. Now, a package contain a computer program used to do particular type of work. Very good. Sir, ये तो मुझे clear हो गया. Sir, examples are MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, MS SS, etc. Sir, ये तो clear है. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much. Chat box में भी धड़ाधड़ कुछ ना कुछ आता जा रहा है मेरे पास. Next is a utility, my dear respected students. Again, we are already discussed with the concept of utility here. Now, what we are going to do here, my dear respected students, a utility is a program designed to do maintenance work on the system. Example is antivirus software, and that is to be considered as a disk defragmenter. Very good. Now kindly move towards page number 14. This is the last topic, and I think so there is a pop-up on our screen also that only 10 minutes are left. Very good. I think so. Hopefully you all are enjoying. Very good. Great. And after that, after this, after completing this particular, I'm just going to ask some questions to you all. Kindly concentrate on this thing also. My dear respected students, on page number 1414, it says that the heading is computer languages. What it makes sense? Can you please just guide me that type in a chat box, computer is able to understand English? Say yes or no. No, all are saying no. Computer is able to understand Hindi and Punjabi? Kindly type in a chat box, and all are saying no. One student is typing NPO. Very good, no problem, no problem. No, so they are typing NOPs, I think so. Okay, no, thank you very much for your kind cooperation. Kindly concentrate. Computer language is also called as programming language, and computer only understand only one language, that is a machine language, and machine language is the combination of only two numbers, that is a 0 and 1. Kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. Here it is. First, we talk about a low-level languages, and further low-level languages is being classified into two different parts. One is to be called as a machine language, and second is to be called as a assembly language. Kindly concentrate here. मशीन लैंग्वेज, मेरे बच्चों मेरी बात को पहले ध्यान से सुन लीजिए, फिर हम थ्योरेटिकल पोर्शन की तरफ जाएंगे. मशीन लैंग्वेज सेज दैट दिस इज द ओनली लैंग्वेज. मुझे लगता है अब तक आपको समझ आ गया होगा कि मशीन लैंग्वेज इज द ओनली लैंग्वेज व्हिच इज बीइंग डायरेक्टली अंडरस्टैंड बाय अ कंप्यूटर. Whereas when we talk about the assembly language, what happened here, they are supposed to be converted, assembly language is supposed to be converted into a language which is understood by a computer, and that is a machine language. Now kindly concentrate here. Some students are typing in a chat box, some suggestions are there. Okay, no problem, thank you very much, God bless you. It says, kindly concentrate, machine language says, machine language is the language that the computer understand and execute directly without translation. No translation is required. And very important thing, next part is, in machine language, instructions are written in the form of, chat box में डालना एक बार, वैसे तो लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे स्लाइड में, पर एक बार chat box में डाल दीजिए. It is a combination of Only two things. Very good, very good. It's a combination of only two things, which is to be called as a 0 and 1. Thank you very much, students, for your kind responses. Now, next thing is to be called as an assembly language. मेरे बेटा ध्यान से सुनिएगा. Very, very, very important thing to remember here, that assembly language was the first computer language to use English alphabet. But kindly remember this thing, the assembly language using the English alphabets for writing different things. But here it is, it says that this language is never being accepted by a computer. If you want that it is to be accepted by a computer, then what we are supposed to do here, we are supposed to convert that particular into a machine language, which is the combination of zeros and one. Very good, great. Now, next thing, which is to be considered as the last one, I think so, that is to be called as a high level language. This is to be called as a high level language. It makes sense. Kindly concentrate. These languages using English and mathematical symbols, the program in a high language is called as a source program. Source program is somewhere be related with the object code, and I think so that object code is a part of a two numbers, that is a 0 and 1. And for high level languages, we use compiler and interpreter for converting that particular into a machine language. Mere beta, kindly concentrate, and now I'm just going to ask some questions to you all. Kindly concentrate on in a chat box. My question is, when we talk about a language which is being understood by a computer, this is to be considered as a dash language. Very good. I'm just waiting for your responses in a chat box. Areva, areva. Machine language. Very good. Great. Jaldi se jara sab log. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Great. Next question says, my dear students, when we talk about a machine language, this is the combination of only two numbers, that is to be called as Areva. Sajal. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Next question says, dash is a type of application software. Kindly concentrate. Dash is the type of the application software which is being related with the maintenance part of computer, that is to be called as dash and dash. Areva. Sahaj, areva. Utility. Very good. Manya, Shipra. Thank you very much. God bless you. Tanveer ji, thank you. Okay, very good. Very good. And when we talk about, now I'm just giving an example of some softwares. MS Word is a dash software. MS Word is a dash software. Areva. This is the part of a package, or we can also call Shipraji that this is a application software. Why so? Because this is supposed to be performed a specific task. This is supposed to be performed a specific task. Very good. Very good. Thank you very much. Next thing, one more question. I'm just going to ask you. Dash from compiler and interpreter, dash from compiler and interpreter is supposed to read the content line by line. That is my question. Out of no. One Ghanika is writing compiler. This is not the correct answer, beta ji. When we talk about rest, all students are typing perfectly. That this is to be considered as the interpreter when we are supposed to read line by line. And when we talk about then when the entire program is being read once, then we type. Then we are supposed to type in a chat box. Very good, very good. We are supposed to type. The entire program is being read by a dash. Areva. Very good. Thank you very much. This is to be called as a compiler. Great. Very good. Very good. Very good. One more thing I just want to clarify from your, my dear students. In a human body, we have a brain, which is an example of dash. Kindly type in a chat box. Very good. No, no, no. This is, I'm not considering it as a software. I'm talking in context of application software or operating system. Very good. Now students are typing operating system. Very good. This is being considered as an operating system of human body. Now, when we talk about, just give me the examples. Now kindly concentrate. Just give me the examples here. When we talk about a Windows in context of our desktop and laptop systems, kindly tell me the name of the Windows, that is whether it is Windows 7, whether it is Windows 8, whether it is Windows 8.1, whether it is Windows 10, which is being installed on your computer. Kindly type in a chat box, name of your operating system. Manya is saying 10, Akshara 7. Very good. Many more to come. Very good. Very good. Okay, it means some are saying Android also, because I think so they are joining from a phone itself. That's why in spite of saying that they are using Windows 7. Arey wow, some students are writing Windows 7 Ultimate. Jay Aditya ji is typing some number, I think so, which is not understand by me. Okay, no problem. Thank you. One more thing I just want to add here, my dear respected students, it's my humble request. Today, I'm just going to send answer key of a back exercise. You are supposed to do the same on your computer notebooks, and then only you are supposed to return the same through the channel which is being provided by your teacher. I'm just going to mention each and everything in your WhatsApp group. So you are supposed to complete your work, you are supposed to respond accordingly, and it's my humble request that all students are supposed to submit their notebooks on time. This is the information from my side, and I just really appreciate the kind of cooperation, the interaction which is being done by you all, and thank you very much. Thanks for your kind cooperation.